Hi guys, good day to all of you. Now we're going to create a tutorial on how to load up your Easytrip RFID card using GCASH account. So here we go. We're going to we're going to load up the Easytrip account now. So let's go. So guys, open your GCASH account now and then input your PIN on your GCash or log into your GCash account, and then please note that you must have a GCash value of I think 1,000 or 500 pesos on your GCash account. And then now we're going to go to pay bills and then look for transportation. You can check it at the biller categories. And then at the transportation, you look for Easytrip. There you have it. And now just input the account number of your Easytrip. It is located at the left bottom part of your card. Just input the account number and then the amount you want to load up in your Easytrip account, and then put some email address in it, because the receipt of GCash, it will go to your email address you inputted here, and you can check it if the value you load up in your Easytrip account is loaded up. And then there you have it. You have the notification that GCash is asking you to confirm it, because it asks you if you are going to pay the amount you inputted in the form. So now it's processing. There you have it. That's the notification or the receipt of your Easytrip account. So it's loaded up, and there it is, the fee and the account number and the amount you paid. So it's very easy and perfect on how to load up your Easytrip account using GCash. It's very simple and easy, and you can do it for 5 to 10 minutes and you're done. So I hope everyone like it, and I hope you enjoy and learn something on how to load up your Easytrip account or Easytrip RFID. It is very useful, especially on people who are driving, or especially for the drivers who are going to north or going to south, or driving at NLEX or SLEX. Is very useful because you're going, or you can use it to pay for the toll fee. I hope you enjoy and learn on my video tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a great day. Thank you.